ken lakpa den nangala di shojeda thuma den nangala thuma very good ken lakpa de thuma de dra spoon la ngazu Tibetan language la thuma very good lada
Cha tomato. Good.
Okay, very nice. 네, kin lakpa thuma resra. Kasi thuma chirona dongbala chero do. You guys spoon is bigger than your face. How you guys using for your mouth? Okay.
But not bigger
Okay, just
than my fist.
yeah, the next trend da.
Yeah, it's kind of is.
Tigarish.
T. A knife.
Tigare.
T.
Losan raba kare di. Losan trakpa. Tigare. Losan raba tigarish.
Kale.
Didi.
Chuck.
Chuck. Kalai din losan raba kalai. Tigare picture at the English than Tido.
Knife.
Knife knife Tibetan language la kalai do. Knife lako masalo don't touch on knife. Kento yang lako tu gud dajela.
I'll go get the knife. I'll show you.
Okay, one can show. Then you can somewhat draw mare. Okay. Then how much dance
I don't know if I would call this a knife, but it's a butcher knife. I have dual knife. One night I accidentally chopped myself with a little chop on my forehead.
Okay, keep side. That can lock pass through la shallow. Keep
Okay.
aside knife.
Well, put it back.
Very good. Okay.
My eyes.
Jela ang Tibetan language la kalay do lana. Then ira no lo da kalay do.
T.
Kare?
T.
T ra very good. T lay da T ang knife la T la or da so. Next card the English la kare.
Let's play.
Plate da. Nangala plate tena, kintu plate tena da. You guys plate. The plate tena, nangala plate tena. Show me you guys plate.
And I put the temperature too high, and this exploded.
Plate me, didn't lama plate me, didn't lama hangna, kala hangna sige kyo, didn't lama.
Plate.
Okay. Plate ra, very good. That kintu lama plate da. Okay, dude, that kintu lama plate da. Ngada Tibetan language dila kalay do.
Put this back.
Tibetan language. Didn't dila lo da. Terma very good. Didn't lop sang lo da.
That was
Didn't lop sang thong do.
yeah, just the mute button is popping. Just kidding. Song at the
Sa ngata nga mar didn't dila this sa didn't lop sang this sa ngata nga re. Very good. Sa da. Da yang dera dene.
Ma.
Yan lo na.
Derma.
Very good. Derma la na. The Tibetan language la plate la Tibetan language la derma la ra.
I call it different.
Okay. From tomorrow you guys should stop to use plate. Okay, now from tomorrow you guys will use derma, turma, tri. Okay. You share the scene also. You choose a family in the I will ask to your parents. You guys using Tibetan language or not? Okay. Also.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Losan talk about the draw to this. Losan talk about Talitong Basadish. Empty plate there. Okay. Then next trainer, next star. Next trainer. Next. Okay, Tigarish. Tigare, English leather. Teapot, very good. See that? Losan talk about last. Very good. Losan talk about pay akura. Teapot lang aso. ngala michiki dena michiki samodong mata anyone can show teapot not all okay not by teapot lago somewhere it made by glasses then it will broke right
Then my teapot.
I'm gonna go get it.
I have
take
one that
careful
metal.
okay
My parents put oil inside of it.
oh take it carefully okay if you want to take it carefully otherwise it will broke right okay very good then how much some teapot then okay
Oil.
okay very good Kila kal lagi tu teapot lagi tu
I can see you.
teapot lah tu Tibet lengas lah kal lagi tu tenda then lop sang background change jeda
Cool. I can't. I have a Chromebook.
Dada lo ta di lo da ngala di lo di this ko class then ga lo da
Kanarako ka ko
dene
la ta ki ko li ra ri
la da ji di ra kare
la da ki ko di ra di
very good nyam lo na
ko di
very good khok ti lai da de da lo chang ma da la see careful okay kha na ro kho ga khok la da ji di ra di khok ti la ne teapot la da so ta di gare di use ka je ora so di ka la use je ora it's for what
Rice.
Rice cooker. Rice cooker.
rice cooker ra de
what did
rice cooker la ata
Rice cooker.
oh very good they didn't have more things ra very good rice cooker ra on they do ra what didn't got it tons ra pay up ra okay good
this one is for
ela
rice.
to the rice cooker ra
Rice.
Potato.
okay rice cooker ra rice cooker la Tibetan language la kan lo de boi la kan lo rice cooker la boi la kan lo
Có.
sing la da
Blank.
ngai sing me de kan lagi I also don't know the name of these in Tibetan language.
My mom knows. I can ask her.
Okay, you can ask. Tibetan language, I don't think here is a name, proper name. I think usually we say like when we make food on this, we use light, right? So light in Tibetan we say lok, right? So loki kalas esa. We said loki.
Jetsosa.
Now go đây lên đi.
Dread esa ra. Dread esa. Loki kalas esa. Dagor de dila da lo.
Yalla.
Lada. Lada. See how
Nothing
we.
because there's nothing.
Yeah, true ra. Dila chelo namni je kan la wala ne. Dread esa lan du ra so. Dread esa is correct one. Okay. Okay, Lada. Dread esa ra very good. Next enda. Next. Jealous. Tigarish. Tigare. Fish to the. Oh, fish didn't got it. So didn't got it. Fish to. Lada. Yeah. Didn't got it. Test. Didn't got it. Fish dancer. Lots on top of it. Losan Takpa Yapush Dialo. Last night I called to Losan Takpa, okay. Losan Takpa angry to me. Ra Losan Takpa. Losan Takpa Kasama cover time on Kongara Kondozeski. Why you called me last night, Losan Takpa? Limba. Yeah, Delara. Tibetan language lang to the freeze la garlic lana. Ala Diloda.
Có da nga tong
Very good.
Sa got the ma gum gum
Trangam la. Very good. Tranglan galor. Tranglan.
Cold.
refrigerator.
Very good. Cold. Cold la trang la. Gam la ne. Box.
Fridge. Refrigerator.
Gamlan da. Gamlan box la. The box da. Trangam means box which we use for make freeze or make cool. Tela. Trangam ra. Trangam. See here. Freeze right. Now see this one. What is this?
Let them metal, Julia.
Huh?
Which one?
Let them metal.
But. Hey. But.
Phil, how was clear chasson? Any doubt? Left any doubt? Clear chasson. Didn't you know? Clear chasson. Yeah, didn't you know? Clear chat the ten. Didn't you know? Dilalada. The lokachi. The dress. Lokachi dress says to. Take a last. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Could doubt me to the clear chas. Next trend. Tigarish. What is this?
But.
Ala di didn't direct loader. Didn't direct the loader. Oh, the loader. Oh, loader. Loader.
Opa super gasabu.
Didn't want you didn't direct the do bashi jubure.
What's true?
Do bashi jubure da. Wash of jubu. Casa book.
Je done.
Ta ba.
Without
Yamdulona. Uktabra galaido.
내가
Tigare how we.
하고야말.
Direda chududi. Direda the India gaji the style car the design car restaurant chunzara yore the dire. Guess which we use for. Kare?
I don't use that.
Guess. Yeah, guess it doesn't guess. No, the gotta use your colors where use it on the pipe shara. Then we can make fire on it.
A fountain?
Yeah, like that. Guess for like that. Lada? Then there lada?
What? A water fountain?
Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, like that. Not same, but like that. Get over that. Awesome.
맞어.
Di nalo gare lanera. So. Di nalo gare lane. Di nalo guess your awesome. Di guess thing also the Indian style la. Dela di nalo guess your Dini also dela pipe kagera pipe din lera. Dini also the fire sigura. Dini dela khala sigura also. Awesome. Very good. And the derma pipe used to dela then on top ra. Dela pipe used to pipe li kira. Dela khala se used to. We are making food, cooking food like on with use this. Also.
내가
Color there. The color there. Dinga the color there gas ra. Dinalo liquid gas ra. Dene dela pipe segura. The on segura. Then the pipe nani so then legra. Gas legra. Then nga the dela fire segura. Fire segura. Then color there. Also. Yeah, I do that. Next the time was lectures 22 right. Dilo da music digare. Di ngala English la dilameda de di.
Cooker?
Stop mare.
말로 크크나 근데가.
Dela stop la mare.
Stove?
STOVE mare.
I thought
네.
that was a stove.
Didn't have to do
That was a stove.
Dela galla ore. Tap la ora. Kibelanga tap la ore. Tap la de ta lo. Ya see here okay. De didn't have to do dela da tap la ore de stop la ore. English stop like da. Then dela tap la ore. Dela on zero de. Tela onje Kenzora Kenala Dido didn't how you guys making fire on it. Tela the pipe use cigra pipe genema chira not make it a joint jomare.
탑전하는데.
Ready on Chetan Tela top lower very good. Stop. Now next digarish. Tela Galo inishla.
I forgot.
Are
Cutting board.
근데 약간 이제 나 딘데 이래 너보다 롭산 잡고 딘데 롭산 가지게.
Cutting board. Cutting board.
감지고 딘데 이래 너보 머리 책도.
너가지 아마키 당기도.
레옹 다니 클래스 타임에 약부시대야 로 춘수디 actually deal out this. I already told that you guys take stop there.
That's a cutting board.
Cutting, oh very good. Chopper board lege. Chopper board lege. Chinto di gari. Chinto mind to chinto mind sharp minded do talent do pu sama. So you guys sharp minded. Listen properly, okay. You guys sharp minded or talented, it's only should use for good things, okay, not for bad things. Also class la discipline yabu there da also discipline yabu menera nichon jela chimbo chegira when you can become elder or one day you will become father or mother, right? So at that time if you are not good manner, then how you will teach to your kids, your children? So first you should do good manner or you should make good or kind-hearted people, okay? Also, kenzo di talented redo, didn't love sa yakunya lo. Kenzo talented, sharp-minded redo. So use that for good things, not for bad things, okay? Kenzo study jido. You guys studying right. Why we are studying is the main reason for studying is to help to others. To help for others redo, also not to harm others. Also, kenzo harm jainera. Kenzo yigi majana digda. For harm to other, you should not learn or you shouldn't study. Uneducated person or beggars, they also can harm, right? The difference is that they can't help because they are uneducated. So you guys are educated, right? So you guys should do only good things, not bad things, okay? Clear, Chason? Very good. Didn't
What if someone else is doing bad to you?
Bad. Some others, right? Angry to me. I remember that. Short temper.
What's the short temper?
Short temper. SHORT. Short temper means angry easily. Angry easily. Raise your hand. Be honest.
Answer.
Okay, be honest. They angry jig. Before I was also like that, angry for little things. Okay, now but I think I changed. So angry mom. Very good. Lada.
I'm angry.
Angry jigda, sometimes angry jigda. Like angry jigin nezulara. Ngachun chig layan nanya. Angry genera. When after you are dead and life sawa legera after you are dead. Then snake kachi life legda. Angry mobu jigra. Snake kachi life legin digdo. You like snake's life, right? No, right? So you guys should not angry too much. Kondo mambo segira. Then 제라 켜놓도 둘 책이다. 어서 제라 책이다 둘 책이다. 어서 견저디 parents 당 teachers 당 대절에 angry 뭐부지요. 된들럽상 지겨라. 된들럽상 거.
I do angry, but I don't say anything.
된들럽상 코너 세겨. 된들럽상 코너 세기도. Yes, right. Okay. 지금 코너 뭐부 센느라 snake 책이다. 제라 둘 책이다. 어서 코너 제라 자야 뭐래. 어서.
I get angry.
So class last page one page train also page chick train da sole chick tora then nga class stop jana nga chunzela kije share da di jela dangala 디가를 처벌 보대다 된을 한번 뗀서라 된을 한번 뗀다 행이 뗀다 된을 가리 뗀데시라 된을 가리 뗀시 다 된을 한번 뗀야로 디 뗀야라 된을 가서 디 민자인다 된을 한번 뗀서라 된을 가리 뗀서 된을 한번 된을 가리 니 라고 이때 된을 롭상 뗀서라 데라가 라다 된을 이렉 노 라다
Sancho Duga.
되게 사제 블록 마다
Lasa.
야 되게 오케이 되게 된 한번 디 디마샤다 라고 두고다 제라 야 당가라 딜로다 디미지 그릴제 당가라 딜로로 시보고들은 롭상 잡벌로다 롭상 잡벌한데 디 초퍼 볼라라 보기라 갈래기들로다 롭상 잡벌 라우디 로 기침모전 로 롭상 잡벌 로게 롭상 잡고 끼 구민도 I can't hear your voice
I can hear him.
Hello, Lobs.
로다 안다 고드 로다 야 롭상 잡고 voice ngala 구민도 야 되게더라 롭상 잡고 next ngala 딜로다 त्यसको दिन हमो लोदा दिन हमो are you eating something chichik sade class na zayre say marta also during class you guys should keep on good discipline okay class na lada
최토지?
so the okay today you can from tomorrow ngazara class na chitu marta also chutungra jela others they will take juice then after that they will take momo then after that they will take everything they will take after that okay pizza momo all that also
It's a rule that we can only drink water during class.
야 din 한번 딜로 당할라
네.
yeah ready 딜로다 hala sel then
가다나데.
디디가래 가래 디스싱 안다다 야 딘딘 딜라다
Go.
거울에 다와서 딘 라모 갈레스 거울에 다와서 거울에다 딘딘 라모 가장 코 홈복 갈라 썸밀제 마서 아차라라고 니다라도 거 가장 뭐다
아.
딘딘 라모 가서 아차라고 니다라서 저 홈복 썸밀짐도
나다 뭐지?
내가
야
화사제증.
나 지금 단추.
야 저는 쇼알로 저거 저는 쇼아서 야 대랑한테 TV 랭한테 갈래기들라는 데다로 살라셀 고르다 디하성 된 이렉 너무 디가래 다나 된다 오케이 very good 다딩아 클래스 테스트 업 제나랑 춘들라 찍된 여당아 찍된 감 찍고 라이브 레슨네 된다 로 춘들디 스터디라 춘들 스터디라 시리즈 시라 링민도 춘들라 스터디라 됐다 로 세컨드 픽처 됐다 네 13 years old Roshni and 10 million other girls just have one wish education konzora yigi jang deba yorda they have wish to study or they have wish to go to school but they have no books they have no school they have no teachers they are like this so you guys have teachers schools everything right yes or no
Yes.
then why you guys do not take it serious on study
Sister.
understand na kyenza study la seriously more da so nge kyenza chik lai ra teachers or
Village Papa sama shoplish.
그래라. 그래라 야군이야. Listen, okay.
Last
근데 parents 등적이라 parents 등적 레이더 이게 장아 study or 레이더 is for whom switch 해들래. tên lobsang lada ama 이게 장 레이더 아마라 아메 체도 라레 tên lobsang 큐랑 체도 라기래. 제상 tên lobsang day is for you or only for you, okay? Teachers or mothers they say study, but you should think when you guys when parents say study you guys feel angry, right?
No. None.
Sometime, right? So
I don't
now
feel angry when people come to study.
now you guys should stop to angry, okay? Now you guys can think, right? I told you it's only for you, okay?
What?
They 가상가디 댄스 이렉 너브 아말랑가디 카바타임 마라 타임테이블 수요란 카바타임 마 댄스 이렉 너브 아마가 갈라 사우스 댄스 이렉 너브라라 세컨지 레스 세기멜라스라 코 타임테이블 에 비지 젤라스 then you like amala. Then after that I told to his mother he needs some time for park. I told to his mother. His mother what she told, okay, listen, okay, she told my home is in garden, then where I should go in my home is in park. 그래서 강박으로라 park 나라 열렸으라 then park 라가 드엘레스 라 그래서 then 이렉 너무 쉐를 비지레다 then 이렉 너무 비지레다고. Okay, now kidara didisra the next kilo sason the next you should teach kidara amadinzo kinzo ama. I think you guys parents they didn't get time to go in school, right?
yeah.
So you guys went in a school or you guys learned everything, right? So you guys should to your parents, you guys teach to your parents about anything. Should not get angry, how to help others, how to be kind. You guys should teach to your mother, right? Also you guys doing prayer, right? You guys doing prayer? prayer 지거라. 현서디 된들하면 prayer 지겨 말을 지겨래. prayer 지거다. 현서라 prayer 빨라면 현서 you should guys teach to your parents, okay, how to pray, okay, how to study. You guys all should teach to your parents, okay?
Don't do it all the time.
나다?
Let's Papa prayer let's Papa prayer let's
Pama dinzora laptop dre raimora. They didn't get time to go in school or learn new things, right? But you guys get nada.
let's the prayer parents but parents to talk about the prayer hakure.
Yeah, this nice question ra. The parents dinzora the prayer mangpo singer ra. Now you guys know three prayer, right? Om tare didere so om mani pemong or one omara pasana di, right?
Yeah.
Teach the prayer jordara. The prayer jordara. Some of parents I think they don't know, so you guys should teach, okay? Yeah, then next one. Next round, last question. Mr. I see. Who is Mr. I? Who is Mr. I?
Sure.
Mr. I sure. Mr. I lana how many chunzo?
Anime cartoon.
Mr. B.
Mr. I, Mrs. I lana always thinking for himself, selfish. I want, I don't like, I letting yore chunzo.
I don't know, selfish man.
Ta nga khen video stand ra. The video the yaputa lo video stand da.
Yeah.
Tenzi gari dan tenzi loson dakpa selfish chige.
Huh?
Selfish chige tenzi gari dan loson dakpa.
Other people.
selfish 제말 다성 selfish 제나 bet다 독자리다 selfish 제말 아키도 우리에 된다 selfish 제나 간에 독자리라 되는 아지 우리에 된다 selfish Mr. Bean Tosser andra again with there compassion
비스톰드.
screen 통도
스크린 톰드.
yeah very good come to
I could see a lot of links.
see here
What is the most selfish one-lettered word?
voice kudo
스쿠드.
okay
Wow. What is the most selfish one-lettered word? Wow, what a audience that is to tell me. The most selfish one-lettered word. I, isn't it? Everything revolves around I. Everything revolves around the I. And what does I stand for? I stands for expectations. Apekshaएं, मेरी अपेक्षाएं, my expectations. I should be treated like this. I should be loved like this. I should be dealt with like this. I should be respected like this. All expectation. अपेक्षाओं की जिंदगी जी रहे हैं हम लोग सब. We're all living a life of super high expectations, not just high. We're all leading a life of super high expectations. God, constantly life is only everything revolves around my opinions, my desires, my likes, my dislikes. I like this, I don't like this, I hate this, I love this, I want this, I don't want this. I. खुश रहेंगे? You think life will be a very happy life when it revolves around I? From our childhood we have grown up like this. We've only learned to take, and everyone has to fulfill my expectations. Everything has to be up to my expectations. When I was a child, I wouldn't even eat if my mom did not cook what I asked for. You know? Everything has to revolve around my expectations. One boy comes to a mother and says, Mama, I love you. 5-year-old, 5 saal ka bachcha. Mama, I love you. Mother said, I love you too, beta. The guy grew up to be 16. Goes to the mother, Mama, I love you. Kitna paisa chahiye bol? He grows up to be 25. Mama, I love you. कौन है, किधर रहती है, बता दो, हम अरेंज कर देंगे, बता दे. He turns to be 40. Mama, I love you. बोला था ना शादी मत करो उससे. He turns 60. 60. Mama, I love you. मैं किसी भी पेपर पे साइन नहीं करूंगी, तू जा. माँ है ना, जानती है. Mother knows. Everything is for me only. 16 years old, my money. 25-year-olds, my girl. 40 years old, my wife. 60 years old, my property. Life ही ऐसा जिया है. हमेशा अपनी इच्छाएं, अपनी अपेक्षाएं, अपने opinions को पकड़ के बैठे हैं हम लोग. And you think religion is spared? If youngsters are not spared, girlfriends and boyfriends are not spared, married people are not spared, you think religious men and religious people coming to a temple are spared from the eye? I don't think so. People come to a temple also, they're only asking, give me what I want. No one comes to say, I love you, I want to give you. When the president of the United States, John F. Kennedy, came up to his stage for his first presidential speech, his voice rumbled into the public address system when he said, ask not what the country can do for you. Ask what you can do for the country. And so we are saying, ask not what God can do for you. Ask what you can do for God. But no one asks that. Because the I is so big, my expectation expectations, my desires, my things are so powerful that even when I come to a temple and ring a bell, all I'm doing is asking. The more we lead a life of our I will always be frustrated. Because people don't exist in this world to just fulfill your expectations. What do you think? People are all existing in the world just to fulfill your expectations? That's what you think? Sorry to say. Wait for a while, you will learn that they don't. Friends don't. Family doesn't. सब अपनी अपेक्षाओं को पूर्ण करने के लिए थोड़ी जन्म लिए हैं. Do not ever give the control of how you feel to someone else. Do not allow anyone to remote control you. Control your television's remote controlled. No problem. Your cars can be remote controlled. Don't allow anyone to control your emotions from there. हम लोग अपेक्षाएं करते हैं कि एक प्रकार का व्यवहार हमारे साथ होगा, ऐसे नहीं होता ना, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं हम. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, the most selfish one-lettered word is I, which stands for expectations, and therefore avoid this word. How do you avoid this word? Be realistic in your expectations. अपेक्षाएं करने में कोई problem नहीं है, but understand that not everyone will fulfill your expectation. याद रखिए कि सब लोग आपकी अपेक्षाओं को पूर्ण नहीं करेंगे. And secondly, avoid this word I by trying to serve others. You know why? Because when you want to be served, you're dependent on people. They may not serve you. When you want to serve, who can stop you? When you want respect, people may not respect you. But when you want to give respect, who can stop you? When you want to be loved, you may not be loved. But when you want to give love, who can stop you? And therefore, learn to begin your journey from I to you. The more you want for yourself, you'll remain frustrated. The more you want to give, you will remain happy.
What's that? What's that? So only taking only is not enough. We should keep true. So the parents lapwan gatina I want mom I want this, father I want this. But sometimes you guys giving something to your parents, huh? It's so sad, right? It's so sad. You guys know when your parents will pass away? You guys know when your parents will die?
No.
No one knows. So when we are together, we should serve to our parents. We should help to our parents, or we should give something to our parents, right?
You okay?
So
Stuffy.
Are you okay?
yeah, okay.
He good. He good, bro.
Are you guys serving to your parents, huh? So we should serve to our parents. So this thing what we should keep in your mind, right?